In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a course or language in Duolingo. First, click on the Home button in the bottom left corner. Then tap on the flag icon in the top left. Here, you'll see all the courses you're currently enrolled in. To delete a course, you'll need to have at least 2 languages set up on your account. If you only see one language like I do, click on the plus course button and add another language. Once you have 2 or more languages, tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the bottom right corner. Then, select Profile and click on the Settings wheel in the top right corner. Next, choose Courses, and you'll see a list of your added languages. Tap the minus button next to the language you want to remove. For example, I'm going to remove German. A warning will appear, letting you know that this will permanently delete all progress and cannot be undone. If you're sure, press Remove. Now, when you return to the home screen, you'll notice there's only one language showing in the top left corner. Let me know in the comments if this tutorial helped you.